Firstly, Tibetan culture or Tibetan nation is one of the very old nation and very old civilization. And I think the ancient time, our neighbors, eastern neighbor China and southern neighbor India, western and northwest neighbor is Muslim. So these, I think it should be with some adaptation or learning from these neighbors and with our own thinking or idea and also regarding the environment. So Tibetan eventually developed our own cultural heritage. So now that become something very unique. And I feel the essential part of Tibetan culture is, it seems very, very, how to say, peaceful nature and compassionate. Peace with environment, peace with fellow human being and the animals like that.